Hey guys, so we are checking out this nail all-in-one kit, and I received this as a gift from the brand, and I'm super excited to open it up with you guys just to see what's in it. Just a quick shout out to them. Thank you so much for sending this over for me to do a review. So for me, I do my nails like maybe once or twice a month. I'm not too big on it, but when I do my nails, I do like to do a good job. So I try not to go to the salon if I don't need to, because I feel like I could do it at home myself, and I feel like it's really therapeutic. So I really do enjoy doing nails at home and doing it for like my kids or like my mom. So I think this is gonna complete my little manicure set at home, which I've never owned like anything to this level. So I'm super excited to see what's in the box. So if you are a nail tech, or maybe you're, like me, who likes to do your nails at home, or maybe you want to give this as a gift, I think this is perfect for you guys to check out. And again, we're gonna go ahead and open it for the first time, see what's inside. It does say right here that it comes with 12 colors. So let's see what we've got inside of this box here. Right, and then I'll just pull out each things here as we go along. Ooh, you guys, take a look at that. Wow, it's got like the whole kit in here. This is so cool. I'm so like excited for this. We'll go through this little baggie here in a moment. And then this looks like the little UV station here, so we'll open that up as well. If you're like new to nails, which I am, like I know the very basics of it, it does come with some instruction manuals in here. Oh, and actually on the other side here is our UV. So this is actually our nail polish set that's in the box here. And then here's our UV right here, our UV station right here. I'm so excited for this because I do my nails at home. And it never dries, or I'll go do something and then it messes up, and I feel like then I've wasted like 1 or 2 hours just doing my nails. But now I get to have this little UV station to use, and it comes with this cord right here, and this is how it looks like. So in this video we'll do an unboxing video, and then the other video we will actually give it a try. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the nail polish set here and see how it looks like inside. Okay, I really like that this comes with everything that you need. So especially if you want to do nails at home, or just for yourself, it looks like this has like almost like everything that you need here. So let's see what's inside of here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks just like at the salon. I'm like so excited. So I'll show you guys. Well, they all look the same, but there's different colors inside of here. Oh my gosh, look at that. I feel like I'm a professional, but I am not a professional. I am just a beginner. I like to do my nails at home, and for pedicures I do like to go to the salon for that. So let's check out this little bag and see what's inside of here. Ooh, and I love this cute pink little brush, and it comes with these little gems right here. So cute. And then we've got a little cuticle cutter right here. Look at that. I've never owned one of these before. And then you've got this for your pedicure. You've got a nail clipper. You can never have enough nail clippers, you guys, I tell you. And then you've got this. Oh, this is like one of my favorite tools, you guys. If you don't know how to use this, I literally, like, after you wash your hand, I literally use this on this end, and then I like clean off my nails, and it does such a great job. Like, I use this all the time when I do my nails at home. This one, I believe this is the one that you use to kind of push back kind of the skin right here at the end here, which I don't use too often. And then just some more supplies in here. But yeah, I love this little bag that it comes in. It really does come with the whole set, so you really cannot go wrong with this if you want to gift this to someone. And so yeah, if you're looking for a manicure like gift set, I highly recommend you guys check out this set. It literally comes with everything you need for gifting or for yourself.